Alright guys, so I'm just gonna move the car up in the driveway. So close this up. Honestly, I haven't driven this thing. Still, I'm missing all the radiator, coolant hood and everything, but it should be fine just from here to there, you know. And it smells like shit in here. I don't know why. Starts right up. Alright guys, so we're finally done putting the new AC compression brackets. So as you can see, everything's here. Sorry, I'm just out of breath. Like, this fucking shit took us so long. Especially, there's supposed to be a bolt that goes right in there where you see my finger. I didn't put it back on because that bolt was a piece of shit. It was pain in the ass to get to. But other than that, just one bolt, I put everything else back, and it shouldn't be a problem because honestly it's steady right there. It's not moving, it's not shaking at all. I will be getting new pulley and the new bills for the whole housing and everything. So there's that. And also this one's broken. This is my old one. The new AC condenser I got, I put it on, I tried to test it, it didn't work, but this one does work. And yeah, so there's only two downfall to it. This part is broken, but honestly I put the bolt on, so it's holding on to it actually pretty nice. And the pulley and just that bolt. Other than that, this bolt was fairly easy to get to as well. It wasn't too big of a pain in the ass, but this one was crazy. Hey y'all, what's up guys? So it's actually the next day and we're here working on these control arms. So I got these eBay control arms for the whole front, left and right, tie rods and everything basically. So I messed this side up. As you can see, this one's bent right over here. So we're in the middle of process of taking it out. Look at all these parts. I got two wheels, bumper, and clips, and the steering wheel right in that bag. And also the AC, because I do need to refill the AC. So I'm gonna go ahead and start helping him out to take everything off. And by today I'm hoping to do all the control arms, change the steering wheels, and put on the new wheels. Today's the third day of me working on the E36, and as you can see, I still got the parts. It's because we got into a technical difficulty. One of the control arm stabilizer hook, it's bent, and I totally forgot to order it, and no one has it. I tried to call all the local AutoZones and stuff, but no one has it. So I went ahead, ordered from FCP Euro, and hopefully it will come on Tuesday or Thursday, between one of those 2 days. So, and it was $100, you know, not gonna lie, just for little two brackets. $100, it's a lot. So because I literally bought the whole control arm kit for like what, $120 from eBay, and now I'm just buying two brackets for $100 because no one has it and I need it. Okay guys, so we finally put the belt on. All the belt and tensioners are in, so we just gotta put the radiator, the AC condenser and everything else, stuff like that. Simple stuff now. So the main part is done. I'm gonna go ahead and start it and show it to you guys. I don't want to let it run for too long because I don't have a coolant. It's lunchtime actually. They got me this big fat burrito. I'm about to kill it right now. But before that, let me just show it to you guys. Put everything back on. The car looks in one piece. As you can see, I zip tie because this little bracket right here that holds the whole fan and everything, it's bent. I really don't want to get a new one. Zip tie is working just fine. And also I need to get those bushings to hold the radiator in right over here. So just for now, I'm just gonna go ahead use zip tie again. And to be honest, until this shit breaks steady. The fan is clear as well. All the belts are in, everything in. So the only things that we have to worry about right now is the control arms. We already put this lollipop in, so I'm just gonna go ahead and install it for now. Got the bumper, everything else looking good, fresh, new. Hey, what's up, man? Thanks for the burrito, bro.
Yep.
Oh yeah, man. It's hot, guys. Like, we've been here the whole day. Check this out. A fucking tree fell off a car. It's sad, guys. Sad. The Corolla right there. And boom. It's coming along together. It's coming together, guys. The steering wheel is in. It's gonna be nice. So it's just the control arms now and that's it, bro.
Yep.
Nice. Okay guys, so I zip tied everything. It's done. I'm done working on the front. Honestly, I'll cut this later on. I don't have a scissor right now to cut it, but I'll cut this later. Vic is going.
Hey, what up? Vic is about to put that right here at my mom's house
in, and I'm gonna go ahead and put the whole front end in and fix everything up, close everything up, wire these things up, and tighten this all these up and everything.
Nothing.
So there's that, and yeah, guys, just like this should be done very soon. Okay guys, welcome back. I guess it's actually been more than 3 to 4 days since you guys saw the last clip and I was last working on the car. I got the car back in my garage, and as you can see, it is leaking oil, but it's leaking oil from the power steering wheel pump, because when I was taking the car apart, I took the power steering off and I took the pump off, and honestly I was really curious how the whole pump works and everything. So I took the whole pump apart, see how it works, replaced all the o-ring that was inside, and I think I messed something up, so I do not have power steering wheel. So but other than that, everything else works. The car runs fine. I did had a little bit of issue. Let me show it to you guys. Yeah, all this coming off, but I got some plans for the doors as well. Here, like as you can see, those little metal lines, yeah, it was leaking from there, and I did not had water flow, so the car was overheating. And also my fan clutch is out. As you guys can see, I can rotate this very easily. It's not supposed to do that. So I already ordered my replacement for the fan clutch, water pump, and the thermostat. I'm also going to do those maintenance. I do not need to replace it, but it's just a little maintenance that I'm going to go ahead and do. And other than that, everything else is fine. So just the replace the fan clutch, that's one thing that I need to do, but I'm just doing a preventive future maintenance for the water pump and the thermostats, because they do intend to go out, and I do not know when was the last time it has been replaced. And I also got this little plastic part for it. I just haven't put it on yet. So the clutch in. For a second, the check lights comes on because of the coolant, but I have enough coolant. Yeah, you see, it went away. So the sensor trips out a little bit, not too much. But yeah, guys. So let me take the car out of the garage and show you guys how it runs, and give you guys an extra review. And check these guys out. Check this steering wheel. Got that AM steering wheel. Feels so much better than the stock one. So, and also the amber color also kind of matches when you put the lights on. So yeah, that's a little cool touch. that little noise, I have no idea where it's coming from, but it only happens in like 2000 RPM ish, like right before 2000. It's kinda hard to turn because of no power steering wheel. Like this car just wants to go. Oh yeah. It hauls ass. Goes into gear very smooth. You hear that, guys? Yeah, I have no idea where that noise coming from, but it's honestly just the only that thing. I think, like, I can be wrong, but I feel like it's coming off of my pump, power steering wheel pump. Yeah, but it only happens into like 2000 RPM ish. So yeah, it's a 50-50 chance. I might sell it, I might keep it, I have no idea. And I'm not sure if I mentioned it, but this car does come with factory LSD. So this is a factory manual, factory LSD, because it does have a winter package. So because of that, shit, this is a hand workout, like hands down. This is a workout, guys. Look at that car. That looks a nice car.